Unboxing of Power Meter 473. Turn off the power. Connect the on wire from the main unit to the main breaker. The connection of on wire complete. Connect I wire from the main unit to the main breaker. The connection of I wire complete. The connection of B wire complete. The connection of C wire complete. Connect the CT corresponding to each of the three lines A, B, and C, paying attention to the distinction between positive and negative poles. The connection of a wire CT concave loop the A wire with a wire CT. Note the direction of the CT. The arrow should point in the direction of the load. After looping the wires, make sure the CT buckle is snapped. 1. Repeat the above operation. Connect the B wire CT to the main unit, then loop the CT around the B wire. Repeat the above operation. Connect the C wire CT to the main unit, then loop the CT around the C wire. Secure the main unit to the rail of main breaker and open the main breaker switch. In the device function screen, you can control the on-off of the device. You can view the real-time energy data of the monitored object after the CT is looped on the power cord of the object. By clicking on History Data below, you can view the history data of the energy consumption of the monitored objects.